This video covers the diagnostic functions that are included in the utilities section of the program. In order to access the utility section, I have to log in as a supervisor, so I'm going to do that. The password is PW, which is our default password. So now I can go into the utility section, and these are the functions that I'm going to be covering. What you see here is a pressure PV, which is the present value of the pressure that is being seen by the machine. We have the machine connected to a glove. So inside of this glove, there happens to be 65 pascals of pressure. And so this is a real-time reading of the pressure value. Below that, there's a compressor, turn on and off, and these are manual functions. You can hear the compressor come on and off. There's one valve, another valve, and here's the beeper. So, but I want to describe a little bit the functionality. Obviously, compressor is what creates the pressure inside of the glove. The K1 valve is the inflate valve, and that's the valve that when it's open, the compressor is on, of course, and we inject air into the glove to pressurize it. The K2 valve is the quick deflate valve. So what happens is we overinflate the glove when we first turn it on in order to create a stretch of the rubber. When that period, which is called the stabilization period, is over, then we turn on K2 valve automatically, of course, and that pressure quickly drops towards the starting pressure, which is the pressure at which we're going to start the leak test cycle. As the pressure is approaching the leak test cycle, this valve K2 shuts off and K5 turns on because this is a slow deflate valve. And this slow deflate valve, what it does is it allows the pressure to slowly decrease to approach the starting pressure of the leak test cycle. So the intention here is to always start the leak test cycle at as close as possible value to the starting pressure. And then, of course, the beeper that comes on at the end of the leak test cycle. So just for demonstration purposes, I can turn on the compressor, I can turn on the inflate valve. You're going to see this number go up as the glove is inflating. That's pretty clear. It's going up, and now we can shut that off. Now the pressure is going to kind of hold. The rubber is stretching right now as we speak. I can deflate it very quickly by turning this on. See that's dropping very, very quickly. But if I turn this one on, it's going to drop much more slowly, as you can see. And of course, I can turn on the beeper. So that's a demonstration of the functions of the machine. These functions will be used by a mechanic if, let's say, the machine, it looks like it's not working well. Then those functions can be used to manually operate it and investigate.